or Facebook or YouTube, the Port Angeles-Sequim Car Wash Man, Motorhome Wash Man. And you'll find referrals, you'll find lots of videos, and price list also too. So you can just YouTube my name in the future doesn't see me. Or Google my name. Or Facebook my name. We're here in Sunland. I wish I would have took a before video of this. It was very, very faded, and it was covered with mold. But as you can see, well, the owners are very happy. They said it turned out wonderful, and it looks brand new. So they were going to buy a new car, but they're not anymore. So that's good. They don't have to, because this one has been restored to almost new. So we got put a dressing on all of the leather to restore it and protect it for the future. Windows have been cleaned inside and outside. All of the plastic and the rubber has been restored, and with Protectant, door jambs are fully cleaned up. Wheel wells cleaned always. This is a 2004. See, this rubber was so faded, but I buffed it out and it is shining now. And that's the way that it should be. So it's been fully restored. Back to, it's probably better than it was when it wasn't came out of the factory. So the interior is immaculate in this car now. Okay. It's been polished and waxed. Look at that. Not bad for a 2004. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Hi.
Hello, sir.
How you doing?
Doing good, sir.
Looks like you do nice work.
Oh, thanks. Would you like a card?
Actually, I wrote down your phone number.
Oh, okay. Well, I have a price list I can give you if you like.
See that Jeep Liberty with the storage box on top? How much would something like that cost?
Oh, that's easy. Here, let me give you one.
The only thing about washing my car is I'm always going on hikes this time of the year on those dirt roads, so it just gets dirty right away.
Oh, okay. Well,
Maybe at the end of the season.
sure.
And then I'm thinking about getting an RV
Oh, uh-huh.
Not a real big one, kind of more of a truck camper type RV.
Yes.
And you do those too, it
Oh,
looks
yeah,
like?
absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah, very personal to me.
Good.
Yeah, I love
Good.
doing this work, and this car here it needed a lot of attention, and it got it. So
Yeah, it looks really sharp.
yeah, it turned out better than I thought it would. I spent 2 hours washing it, so it had
Is he
more.
going to sell it, or
Oh no, he's going to
now's
keep
the
it.
time to sell it?
Yeah, they were going to get a new car, but now they're not going to get one
Yeah,
since
because
this one.
it looks like they got a new car.
Thank you very
I don't know
much.
how the heck you get it so looking so good.
Well, I take time.
Yeah, apparently.
It took me almost 6 hours to do this, but
Oh,
it was
okay.
2 hours just to wash it because there was a lot of mold. There was mold everywhere,
Oh, okay.
in all of the cracks and crevices, and it came out real good. So,
Good.
you just spend a lot. I just know what I'm doing, and it is personal to me, So
Good.
I love what I do, so that matters a whole lot. And everybody's satisfied when I'm finished. I have to be satisfied first.
Oh, no, that's a good attitude.
What's your name?
John,
Hey, John. I'm Timothy.
good to see you.
Good to see you too. I'll hear from you soon, okay? Or
Okay.
at the end of the season. Have a great day, all right?
Okay, great.
All right.
Thanks.
All right. Thank you. Bye-bye. It's nice to meet nice people. A lot of people watch what I do from their windows. A lot of people park their car right in front of their window and they watch me the whole time, which is all right with me. But you have a great day.